Do you ever feel like you're playing whack-a-mole with your dropshipping business? You're chasing unreliable suppliers, dealing with endless shipping delays, and manually updating your inventory. What if I told you that there's a platform that can automate all of that headache away? Well, the good news is I'm showing you exactly how to set up Appscenic for your store. This is the all-in-one dropshipping solution that connects you with verified suppliers in the US, UK, EU, and even Canada. And the beauty about it is it automates the entire ordering process so it doesn't give you any headaches. And it keeps your inventory synced 24/7. And all you need to do, as you can see, there is actually a free trial here. But what you're not going to do is you're not going to click on that button. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll down that page. And as you can see, there's different ways to connect your e-commerce store. You can connect it through Shopify, through Wix, through eBay, through WooCommerce, etc., etc. And as you can see at the bottom here, there's 10 more integrations coming as well. Now, obviously, if you're going to use it for your Shopify store, ensure that you're actually logged into Shopify first, because what we're going to do, I'm just going to use the example of Shopify to connect the store to the platform. All you simply do is click on this button here that says Connect Shopify, and it will take you back to the very top there. But what you'll need to do is connect to your Shopify store, and then you can either fill in your details here, or you can Google sign up. And what I'm going to do for the sake of this video, I'm just going to sign up with Google. So I click on Google sign up, takes me to the page where I can actually log in, and then just click continue. And here you go, guys. This is the back end of Appscenic. This is Appscenic's dashboard where you've got access to over 2 million products. It's phenomenal. And most of these are going to have a 2 to 5 day shipping. So there won't be any more problems with you trying to tell your customers that the product's going to be arriving in 3 weeks or in next month. Forget about all that. Now, whether you're running a Shopify store, a WooCommerce store, even eBay, this integrates seamlessly with it. But guys, here's what sets this apart. On the left-hand side here, you've got dashboard, you've got product catalog, you've got the integrations again. So if you wanted to change the integration from Shopify to WooCommerce, you can change it just there. You've got the products, which I'm going to go into later. You've got your orders, store settings, store wallet, product AI tools, marketing AI tools, training and help, and lastly, billing and subscriptions. So what you've got in this first front screen here is you've got a store integration process. So at the moment, the store is not integrated with your Shopify store. So as you can see, it's got 0 out of 6. And it's got a get started, connect store, and a select plan. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started. So just click on this get started. And then from here, you can choose which integration you want to use. And like I said, I'm going to use the Shopify integration. So I'm going to connect store. What it does, it takes you back to the App Store. You click on install. And from here, you can basically install the app on your store. So click on install. So if we go back to the Shopify App Store page, this actually opened independently on its own. If we click on open, what it does, it takes us to our Shopify store so we can actually see everything in action. Okay, so far we've got 1 out of 6 actions. From here, we need to actually choose a plan, all right? So you've got a few plans here. You've got the $29 per month, which gives you pushed 100 products. You've got $59, which is the pro plan, or $89. So we're going to start the trial. You can either start the trial on the standard, the pro, or the elite. For this video, we're going to try a trial with the standard. So just click on 7-day. Are you sure you want to activate standard subscription? Just click on yes. So what it does, it takes you back to your Shopify store to approve that subscription, but it will be a 7-day plan. But after the 7 days, it will go to the standard subscription. And what I will say, guys, before proceeding, make sure you read the terms and conditions here. And if you're happy with the terms and conditions, just click approve. So what will happen is you will get a 7-day free plan, and then every 30 months after that point, you'll be charged $29 per month. And from here, what you do is you choose your main location. So and wherever you're actually based, so this is not where you're drop shipping to, but this is where you're based, you need to place where your actual store is physically based. And we're going to say the UK because I'm based in the UK. And also, if you ship internationally, you can tick the option if you intend to ship internationally. All right. At the moment, we're just going to keep it for the UK, and we're going to keep the language also at the UK. It's going to ask what your store niche is in. We're going to find that out. So it's got furniture, fashion, home. We're just going to say electronics and gadgets here. And then it says, please add a default phone number for your orders. All right. So this is where you'll put in your phone number. And what I'll say, guys, make sure this is not a dummy mobile number or telephone number. If they need to get hold of you for any reason, for example, for like shipping, they need a real number to get hold of you. So check through all those details, make sure you're happy with that, and then click next. And if we check the integration process, we're 3 out of 6 so far. Now this bit's really important. It says specify your profit margin. So you can set up a default price formula for your store. So you can either go for profit and a fixed price, or you can just go for profit. So this is the margin that you're actually going to have on your store. And you've got a choice of using the compare at price. And if you hover over that, this just basically says use this if your store integration supports compare at price, which is like a crossed out price. Include shipping costs to main location in the product price. So again, within your store, are you actually going to include the shipping in the whole price, or are you going to actually show this separately? It's completely up to you. And then lastly, if your product has an RRP and selling price, set the selling price to equal the RRP. Again, you have that option as well. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to tick any of these. We're just going to go with the default 25% and leave these unchecked. So click on next. And as you can see, the progress bar is 4 of 6. So it says now configure how you'll pay your dropshipping orders. So it's saying why it's recommended. So you can pay orders automatically, or you can skip and go to the product catalog. All right. But this is where we want to configure your store wallet. And we actually really do want to do that. So instead of skipping, we're going to click on the configure your store. And now we have a choice. We can either configure wallet now and receive a 10% bonus. We also receive up to $50 free credit when we make our first deposit. And guys, this is where you can actually fill in all your details to actually configure your wallet, all right? And the great thing is it's actually powered by Stripe as well. So what you do is you fill in all your details, click on set wallet and deposit funds, and it will connect your store with Stripe. We're going to skip this for now. So click on skip, and then it says one last step, import your first product, all right? So if we click on import products, so guys, this is the product catalog. So I'm not going to go into too much detail here. I'm just going to show you very quickly how you actually navigate around this very, very quickly. There's a quick filter here. So you've got the US, you've got the UK, Canada, Australia, France, Germany, Italy, and Spain. And also there's more countries. But what I want to do is very quickly just click on the United Kingdom, and it basically shows all the products that we can actually drop ship via the United Kingdom. And we've got loads of filters there. So ships to the UK. So all of these items, even though they're coming from different places, they actually ship to the UK. All right. You've also got the search bar here if you want to search for specific products. You can put in the maximum delivery time, supplier, your preferred supplier, depending on who you want to be supplied from, minimum price, maximum price, and then also you can sell it on the marketplaces as well. So Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and any marketplace just there. But let's just say, for example, I wanted to ship from the UK and ships to the UK. All you need to do is toggle on here, just type in United, for example, click on United Kingdom. And then what this is going to do now is going to find all the products that are actually shipping from the UK and shipping within the UK. And if you look at the breadcrumbs at the bottom here, you've got removal filters, ships from the UK, ships to the UK, and also in stock. So below the filter, we've got furniture, home tools, pets, jewelry, fashion, and beauty. You've got a list of new suppliers here. You can have a look at that at another point. You've got featured suppliers here, so I'm assuming that these suppliers are actually paying extra to be featured here. You've got popular suppliers, so what's popular actually on the platform. And then lastly, we can explore the products that actually come up that's shipping from the UK to UK customers. And that's what we're interested in. And as you can see, you got on the right-hand side, you've got the RRP, and you've also got the item cost there as well. We can go into one of these items, so you can look on one of the items. And again, you've got the recommended retail price and the actual price that you would actually pay. So if you just hover over that, it says this product price you'll pay in your store, okay? And it's converted to the currency as well. If you click on the shipping at the very bottom there, again, you can see the shipping time. So this ships to the UK from the UK, 3 to 7 days, and it's free as well. So as soon as somebody purchases this from your store, this automatically starts ordering it and ships out to your customer. So if we click on import now, When you click on import now, what it does, it automatically pushes the products to your store after import from the catalog. And when you're pushing products to your store, it also pushes products, collections, and categories. So if you click on import now, so it says products added to my products successfully. So if you go onto the left-hand side there and go to my products and go to all products, so what it's basically showing there is that there's actually 30 in stock. That's how much it's costing you. That's the price that the customer is going to pay. And that is the profit that you're going to make, right, on this kids storage unit toy box. So if we go to our store and then click on products, where are we? Yeah, if we click on products on the left-hand side here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, we should see now that item that we've just imported into our store. So it gives you a description there, gives you a title. It hasn't actually put it in a collection, but you can put it on a collection later. And if we view these products within the store, here you go. So it's actually added the image, it's added the price, it's added all the other images. And again, there's a short description here with the specifications. There's no reviews yet, but if you had reviews, your customers would actually add the reviews onto the bottom of the page, and it will show the reviews of happy customers. And the price is $45.88. If we go back to Appscenic, you can see that that's the price. That's the item cost. That's how much it's costing you, and it's $9.18. So the great thing about this, guys, you never ever handle that product. It will literally be shipped out for you, all right, by Appscenic, and that's why the app is so good. Now at the top, you can see there's 5 of 6. The reason why that's still showing 5 of 6 is because we haven't actually configured the wallet yet. So if you wanted to go ahead and you wanted to start using the service, obviously the Appscenic needs a form of payment. So all you need to do is click on the 5 of 6, and you can either skip and go back to the product catalog again, or you configure your store wallet just here. And I'll just go back to the product catalog. If you were shipping from another country, say for example you wanted to ship from the US, you just type in United States there, unclick the UK, click on United States, scroll down, and it'll show you all the items that ship from the US that are also shipping to the UK as well. So guys, that's a very quick overview of using Appscenic. You can see how easy it was for me to set that up. At this moment in time, I haven't entered any credit card details in there, but if you wanted to actually go ahead and you wanted to test this out, you would be able to actually link your wallet there with Stripe and actually start purchasing products. So let's just go through some other features on here. You've got price formulas on the left. We can actually work out the price formulas. You've got boards, you've got collections, baby and toddlers, you've got favorites. So if you favorited any item, you'll have a list of favorites just here. So you'll be able to see the orders that are actually coming through. At the moment, obviously, I've not set this up properly, but if somebody purchased from the store, you would actually see all your orders there. On the top, you've got on hold, to be shipped, processing, etc., etc. Store settings. So you can change all of your settings here. You can change the currency. And then at the very bottom there, you've got your store wallet. Again, I have not set this up yet, but if I was going to set it up, I would click on this button here, set up wallet, and it will take you directly to the wallet page where you can obviously set everything up. Now, again, on the left-hand side, you've got a list of descriptions. So this is the product that we were going to use. And you have a choice of either using the default description or actually changing it to your own. You can also use the AI to actually make improvements. So if you wanted to actually change what it says here, just click on this improve product details using AI. It gives you tokens. So the request token is 1 token. Your token usage is 0 or 40. So obviously I haven't used any yet. So let's click on yes, run AI. If we scroll down, you can see that it's actually changed the description as well, and also the title. You've got some marketing tools on the left-hand side here. So you've got advertising and social media. So this is where you can put all your brand information in here. SEO, again, it gives you a nice little breakdown of any keywords used, your title description, whether you actually have written any meta descriptions, any links, any breadcrumbs. And then you've got the Dropshipping Academy. So you can take their dropshipping course. As long as you're signed up, you'll be able to take that course and learn all about dropshipping and using dropshipping with their system. So that's how you can use Appscenic to actually use as a dropshipping platform for your Shopify store or WooCommerce store or any of the others that have been mentioned in the integration. Now you're probably wondering if it's actually worth it. Don't worry guys, I've got you covered, because in the next video, I actually review this platform to see if it's actually worth using it as a dropshipping platform. And in that video, I break down the pros and cons of actually using Appscenic. And if you weren't quite sure and you wanted to talk to others about this, you really need to join my free community called the Ecom Network. Within that community, there's a lot of like-minded entrepreneurs just like you discussing platforms like this. Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom Network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom Network on School and click the join group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom Network. So that's me, Des. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.